To test to see if your door switch is working, open up your refrigerator door and depress the switch manually, and if the lights turn off, then you know that your door switch is working properly. To test your freezer door switch, take some tape, tape the door switch shut. The door switch activates your ice maker. So close the door, wait 24 hours, and if you do not have any ice, then you know that your door switch is not working properly. And that's how you test if your door switch isn't working for your ice maker. Always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance.